I'll be showing you my outdoor plants collection. We will start here with my roses. I bought it from the warehouse, from the Bunnings warehouse in Australia. So there you go, I collected some roses and I'm so eager to grow roses. So first I'm gonna show you the one that I bought from the warehouse. I have here this white, pure white, which is very beautiful petals that I have, and now they have more buds coming. And next one is, this one are shorty. I mean, how do you say that one? This one is the fragrance pinky queen. When it blooms, it's really beautiful and it smells so good. These two are the shorty one, while the rest are the normal height, the giant thing. So I have here the hybrid tea black beauty. It's just new. I bought it like just the roots from here. From here, and then down there the roots are already growing. So when you find it hard to plant or to try to grow rose, just spot or just buy the ready grown stems from the warehouse or from the nursery that you ever have in your country. Yeah, and this one is hybrid tea fragrant palm. I haven't seen the color yet, but I'm gonna post it in my community and on Mrs. Koala Gardening YouTube, so you can see, guys, how or what's the beauty, how does it form the flower. And this one is Athena. It's white inside, but the little bit outside is a little bit purple or red. And this one here, I got here to the Mr. Lincoln. It smells so good, Mr. Lincoln. See. And this one is the yellow one. I can spot that. Floribunda Fresher. And there you go. This is their petals. It's not really that beautiful form, but it smells so good. Yeah, there you go. It's yellow. So those are my roses collection that I bought ready from the shop. But I was trying to grow from the cuttings, which most of you find it really hard. But once you keep on trying, it really grows. Those are oranges. I got here some Gardenia. This Gardenia grows some flowers, which is the flowers fragrance is really nice and smells so good. And I have those edges, or those are the Staghorns, the moose ear rather. How do they call it? Elephant ears. You can easily find this on Amazon or like in the forest. It's very common, but when you try to grow it, very nice. Like, you know, you can sell it. I was trying to take a look at the Facebook market. It's very cozy, it's pricey. And I have here my Monstera, the very common one, Monstera Deliciosa. And I have here, what is this? The Alocasia. It's very beautiful. Take a look at the leaf, just the linings and the formation of it, the color. Such an amazing creation. And I have here this kind of thing. I forgot this, the pink one. I have here this pink. Oh, that's hard when you were just planting and you don't know the name. I just love. And here I have this golden ivy, gold photos ivy, and some orchids that's given from my friend. And I have here this kind of native one, which is very beautiful, native orchids. Yeah, this one. And this color of this, I bet you guys knew it. I forgot the name, it's on the tip of my tongue. The color of this is red, and it's so beautiful. Like, and another monstera thing. When you see this one, the whole blue, it's like that, but this one is different here. So it's another variety of monstera. And this one is the ivy, another ivy. such a beautiful name, isn't it? I'm gonna change the name to mine. And yeah, what I do is I get some young bamboo and I just roll it up, curve it up like that, and just to make sure, you know, you can make your own decorations at home when you try to plant, when you want to plant or decorate your home with this. This is really good for indoors too, and this one too. When you put them indoors, the color of the leaves will change, and it's a little bit more darker because it's, you know, it's indoor. While it's outdoor, it's more exposed to sun. Those are my snake plants, dwarf thing. But I haven't taken care of them. This is my Bossy Lizzy flower. This is very easy to grow. You just have to what's that? Snap stem and just, you know, plant it on the soil directly. Just will give you a beautiful flower like this. And I have here, I bowl here, the Anthurium, another variety of Anthurium, which is pretty good. Look at that. So beautiful, isn't it? And one thing I did is this one grow with babies around. So what I do is I'm gonna move this and try to separate them. So I can have more Anthurium like this. And in another pot, I have different, how do you say it, succulents. This one, I can't really know, I can't really tell the whole name of it. I get here, I decorate my pot with different stuffs inside. It looks really good. The snake plants, this dwarf thingy, this one, this, honestly, and this, yeah, a little aloe vera, and the ferns outside. This sword gnarl fern, you know, they're just only found in the forest, or in the jungle rather, and you don't care about it. But when you try to take care of them and make it more beautiful, they're gonna be a really nice decorations for your home, you know. But if you don't like gardening or whatever, you just buy it. And I have here Calathea, another brand of Calathea, another color, another brand, another variety of Calathea. Because I have this, it's gone. I have another Calathea, which I'm gonna show you. This one, the leaf is different, and this one is different too, just a little bit hybrid and so pretty. And I got here my Peperonia albo variegata, whatever. It's variegated and it's so beautiful. And I've got this stuff here, my Pilia, whatever, how do you call it? It's so beautiful. And I've got that one too, in the peace lily, which goes from the seeds, and more photos. And this one is the different, what's that name, Maria? You can use this for indoor and outdoor. The leaves is so beautiful. I just never have to, like, you know, never do this before, like upshade all the plants. And I've got here my, what is this, variegated thing. When you plant it on the ground or directly in the soil, it will grow berserk, but it's really beautiful. And these are my roses from the bouquet that my husband gave me. It's a light, and you know, but the flower changed the form. For those who commented on my roses that it's fake, maybe you guys don't have a green thumb and you don't know how to plant it. I just don't give up when I do something and it doesn't grow enough. I understand you guys, growing roses is so difficult. So I have here this native flower and this bushes here, and this little, it's like heart of Jesus thing, and it's so beautiful. My friend gave it to me, and now I do the mass production. more. So yeah, I have my friends too, and other types of friends. And as you can see, guys, I have different collections of my rose cuttings that I'm trying to grow and experiment. This one is already sprouting. The rest, yeah, it's doing good. The reason why I put this because I just saw it in YouTube or every like different types the way you gotta grow your rose cuttings. It's too difficult to do this. So the moist of this will serve as the water. You're not gonna need to put some water in the inside, but the moist inside of this plastic container will serve as the water of the roses, and you don't need to water it. I got more here. Yep, some of this beautiful stuff. Only late, but it's not time to grow, so only the bulb will stay on the pot as I'm continuing to water them. And I have my poinsettia. They are now turning to red because it's winter here, and they loved winter. It reminds me of Christmas. So yes, that's it. My poinsettia. Look at that. Seems like Christmas. I put them outdoor because I want to grow more of them. I have a lot of snake plants here. Well, I practically selling them. Koala. I don't know what's the name of this. And my horseshoe geranium, beautiful flower. And my Bossy Lizzy. So good. Top. And I have more here. Isn't it beautiful? Something here. My Gardenia, it's like ouch. It hurts. Got bromeliads too. Ferns. Ferns. And more of this. Philodendron. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. More of there. Got my another kind of bromeliads too, and another rose propagation. And oh no, okay, it was a little bit exposed to the sun, so I'm just gonna hide here. And this one, I'm just trying to replant. Rather waiting for it to grow on my rubber tree. So beautiful and healthy. And I got my succulents, more succulents here. They're so good. And my orchids. I'm gonna take you inside. I got more plants inside. The indoor thing. It's just all of them could be indoor too. But I try to put them outdoor. My gold epiprenum or whatever. These are my beautiful plants. Let me turn on the lights. This is heaven cyclamen. Look at the flowers. But I told you guys, this one, my husband did it, built it, I painted it like that, he built it for me, and I just painted it. It's beautiful, and you're saving money. These are my succulent spot. I got two of them. I got my anthurium, the beautiful one, and this. Beautiful for the babies. And more. And my differbatia. It's beautiful painted. And my peace lily. It's pretty healthy. And my evergreen plants. My another non-sterile should put inside. Take a look. Beautiful. This one too. And yeah, so that's it. Those are my indoor and outdoor plants collection. And I hope you guys love my video and support me. Or rather support Mr. and Mrs. Koala. And let's share some tips and strategies in growing and gardening plants and vegetables. Thank you. Bye bye.